Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trezor Safe 3. First, connect your new Trezor Safe 3 to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, download and install the official Trezor Suite application from the Trezor website. Once installed, open the application to begin the initial setup process. You will either create a new wallet or recover an existing one using your recovery seed. Remember to secure your recovery seed phrase. To send or receive cryptocurrency, first open Trezor Suite and unlock your device using your PIN. For receiving, navigate to the Receive tab and generate a new address. Share this address with the person sending you funds. To send, go to the Send tab, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always double-check all transaction details on your Trezor Safe 3 screen before confirming the transfer with a physical button press. Security is paramount with your Trezor Safe 3. Always use a strong, unique PIN and never share it. Your 12-word recovery seed phrase is crucial. Store it offline in a safe place, perhaps in 2 separate locations. Consider enabling the passphrase feature for an additional layer of protection. Always verify every transaction detail directly on your Trezor Safe 3 screen before confirming. Remember, your recovery seed is the master key to your funds. Beyond basic transactions, your Trezor Safe 3 offers advanced features. You can explore coin control for more precise management of your funds. The integrated exchange allows for convenient cryptocurrency swaps directly within Trezor Suite. Regularly update your device firmware to ensure optimal security and access new features. If you encounter any issues, Trezor's official support channels are available to help. Many third-party applications also integrate with Trezor for expanded functionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.